Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again with the craft series. So here what we are doing is we are taking a sponge and coloring it and wow, I really like, we used to do this on my nails and it used to come out a really nice design. So you can actually draw also with the help of a sponge, and it looks like a textured drawing. So it's very, smart idea and amazing at the same time. So you all can try these. So your butterflies are all done. Just make the grass with the, just take the strokes as you want, and your grass is almost ready. So yeah, this one was done. Moving forward, we have taken a leaf and with the help of colors, we have painted it and now pasting it. Now these are, 3D, or somewhat you can actually call them a 3D drawing, where you're actually using the real objects and printing them on the paper. So wow. Now taking a walnut shell and pasting it on top of the leaf, and almost done. Now we'll just set up the environment for all of them so that they can also live peacefully and happily. Okay, so just making these heads and legs of these beetles, we are almost done. So now moving forward, what we are making here is we have taken a sponge and a stamp and now making this design, and I trust me, this is going to be really nice. So this is we are making a rainbow here. I thought it to be a rainbow, but it is not. It's actually a duck, and I'm really sorry, it's not a duck, it's a peacock. Actually at first I thought that. I really like that grass process, you just have to take some strokes like that. Grass is all ready and that looks so nice. I really like that work. Now we have taken a brush here, and just by making some rough, what do you call them? Rough strokes. So we have made the grass very nicely, and now we are making these. What do you think these are? Oh, these are butterflies. Sorry. I was just thinking about something else. I didn't knew. Yeah, we have made some butterflies, and yeah, as these are very very beautiful and colorful. So I just had to think a little, which I am not doing right now. Okay, now decorating your grass, and see, your earbuds can also be helpful in here. So it's all done. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, again we have taken that stamp only, and this one is going to be, this is that drawing. This is a very very popular one where you just make some rectangles and squares and all, and this will be like a number of people here. Okay, why I don't know why you all must have jinxed me, because I'm right now I'm like wrong in almost everything. Okay, so these are the childrens of a bird, and yeah, there are some in my garden, so I know they just sing songs all the time. So yeah, that is good sometimes and bad sometimes too. So yeah, that reminded me of that. So thank you for watching the video.